Right guys, welcome back to a new video. We're just here near the Savoy at Gwen Square, and what we're going to do is we're going to have a walk up here on the front. Hope you're all doing well. We're making our way down to the promenade. It's a bit windy, but it's a nice day. Just make out the tower. Yeah, so we're going to make our way down to the North Pier. Yeah, like I say guys, it's a nice enough day, just a bit breezy, just coming up to 12:25. It's a while since I've been down this side of Blackpool. It's Saturday, the start of the air show. I believe the red arrows are flying over the tower at 2 PM. So we're making our way down, and I'll do a separate video on it, the air show village. So we're just coming up to the Grand Hotel. Just at the site where the old Derby baths used to be. Yeah, so it's been a while since I've done a video down this end. Just have a pan round. Yeah, so if you're down this weekend for the air show, I hope you came down early, because the parking is horrendous. Absolutely horrendous. I should imagine it'll be the same tomorrow. Just about to see the tower there. So you can hear me alright, because that wind is picking up. Got quite a breeze here on the front. But it's a nice part of Blackpool, this. It's peaceful and quiet. Yeah, so I imagine all the car parks are going to be absolutely hammered today. So they'll be making a few pound there, won't they? Yeah, so like I say, I'll do a separate video on the air show village. Looks like they've actually put a few more things on this year than last year, but if I remember last year, it was packed last year. So we'll see what it's like this year. See what the turnout is. I don't know, last year there was quite a big turnout, the Saturday and the Sunday. I like watching the Red Arrows. There's been members of my family that's actually joined the team years ago. My cousin John, he flew with them. One of my uncles flew with them years ago. It's like they've blocked this part off. But I know sometimes you get quite a large congregation down there of people drinking and what have you. That's probably why they've put these barriers up. Just have a quick look over the wall. So we're just opposite the Imperial. I should have hired one of them. Yeah, so like I say, it'll probably end up being a big turnout. We'll know when we get to the village anyway, the air show village, which is on between the Central and the North Pier. Yeah, you can see the weather's really, really good. there's another downslope there that's been blocked off. So we've made it to the Best Western anyway. But we're getting closer. So we're not far now from the North Pier. Yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe, guys, because it makes it worth its while then coming out, you see. Right guys, I'm going to leave it there, and I'll catch you when we're down at the airshow village. So take care of yourselves. Bye for now.